What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be doing a headlight restoration on my CL55. I'm going to be using this 3M kit. Now there are two versions of this kit. This one that I have brings clear coat packets, and the other option that I'll put somewhere up on the screen, instead of bringing clear coat, it brings compound and a polishing pad. The reason I bought this kit is because I recently paint corrected my car, so I have pads and I have compound and I also have polish. So it's the kit, whichever you want to get, they both are similar. The only thing is, if you only buy this kit and don't have anything else, what gives it the glossy nice look is literally just the clear coat stuff. Like, it kind of doesn't look that good once you finish sanding until you put the clear coat. The other one that I have done before looks pretty good after you polish it, because it does bring a polishing pad. Anyways, you should clean the headlight a little before. I'm just going to be using some diluted isopropyl alcohol, and yeah, I'm also going to be wet sanding because I think it's better. It just, gets rid of all the buildup and stuff. Now this kit brings 500, 800, and 3000 grit sandpapers. So yeah, you start with this one, then you make your way up. Make your way up. It brings a lot, obviously, because these run out quicker. My headlights, to be honest, don't look that bad, so I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of passes with this one. Probably just one pad and a pass, and then I'll work on it more with the lighter pads. Alright, I'm gonna start by taping everything up with the tape they included. Alright guys, I have it all taped up now. I went ahead and did the other side too. I don't know if I forgot to mention, but you do need a drill for this. It's pretty obvious though, it has this little thingy here. Oh, look at this. Yeah, they're just chilling near me, I guess. Alright, well, they're just gonna chill over there, I guess. So yeah, I am gonna be wet sanding this, so I'm gonna spray a bit and start sanding. I'm just gonna do one pass since my headlight isn't that bad. Okay, I lied. I did a little more than one pass, but it doesn't matter. It is gonna get worse, and then randomly, as you do the other pads, it's just gonna get better. Dude, these little guys are such peeps. They're still right behind the camera. I'm gonna do a little more of this area here. It's a little difficult to get. Should be good enough. Yeah, looks pretty even, all pretty opaque everywhere. Alright, Now I'm gonna do the smaller one. I'm gonna change the pad for that because there's so many of them, so it's fine. Just gonna put another 500 grit on it. Go on the other side. Let's sand it a little. Spray on here too. Alright, I'm going to put my grill to charge because it is running out of battery, unfortunately. Doesn't seem to last very long. I'm going to do that edge real quick. You can see the edge is still pretty clear. Alright, looks pretty even there. I'm going to put the drill to charge. Alright guys, I'm back. This thing finally charged for a little. I'm going to be putting the 800 grit sandpaper on it now, and put that a little better. And we're going to be doing a couple pieces on it. So again, just a little bit of white sand in it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright, so as you can see from the drips, they are more whitish now. When I did the other sandpaper, the 500, you could see a little bit of yellow residue. So I'm gonna stop sanding this one already. I think it's pretty much good to go. I'm gonna do this smaller one over here. I'm not gonna switch the sandpaper on this one. I'm gonna put this to charge again because I didn't put it for too long. Alright guys, we're moving on to the last of the sandpapers. This is the 3000 grit. So again, I'm just gonna wet sand it.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands.
looks good on camera, but there is room for improvement. Let's just go ahead and do this guy here now. Alright, I'm going to move on to the polishing. I'm going to use a polisher for that though, so I'm just going to put the drill back to charge for the other light. Alright, I'm going to be using the white polishing pad with some polish on it and pretty much at the lowest speed. I'm just going to apply that on there. I'm going to put the speed up a little bit. That looks pretty good actually. Now with the clear coat, it'll look really, really good. That looks pretty good, huh? Alright, so I put a little bit more polish for this guy here. Looks pretty good. Now with the clear, it's gonna give it that shine gloss look. Just wiping it down now so I can get everything off before I seal it. Still a little dull up here, but this. I want to at least finish this side so you guys can see before the sun completely goes away. Alright. Here's the clear coat stuff. I also have some ceramic coating that I could do, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do the clear coat stuff. Yeah, it does look a little more clear, but I think with everything I did before, it doesn't get much better unless you just buy another headlight, which I do not want to do. Damn, the small one looks good though. That looks pretty good, even in person. Wow, let me see if I could do a quick comparison with the other side. I'll pull the camera out a little bit. Just trying to put this stuff back in here. I don't think I'm going to use this one again since it brings two of them, but you never know. See if you guys could see any difference if I put this up. In person, the thing is, I already had them pretty clear, but let's see, I'll go up to this one. Here's the old one. And here's the new one, or the restored one. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Alright, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. The other side will practically be the same. Like maybe I'll put some shots of the car, but I think you guys could tell from here that, look at that. It's like a mirror right now. I'm gonna compare it one more time. This has a mirror too, but you could tell it's just a little bit, just has a little tint to it. This side, though, this side's pretty crazy. Looks pretty clear. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. Peace.